Hi everyone, Spyweek Fan here, and today is Thanksgiving. So if everyone who lives in Canada, happy Thanksgiving. So the reason why I haven't uploading videos is because, well, I was helping Mom with the painting supplies and sorts of things, and she repainted the walls in the playroom, and yeah, the wall in the playroom is like gray. Last time I lived here, the playroom is green, and now Mom just repainted gray. So yeah, and also I had a bad cough, so I don't think I can do a reaction video until I'm feeling better. So yeah, but hopefully I'll do a reaction video next time. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoy Thanksgiving as much as I do, even though I had an early Thanksgiving, so yeah. The next reaction video to I'm going to react is Dawn of Discord episode 8, but just to let you guys know, this video is really long. It's about 1 hour 37 or 38 or something like that. But yeah, it's a long video, so I think I'm gonna split my reaction to Dawn of Discord episode 9 would be at parts 1, 8, or 1 to 7, so yeah. But I can't do it right now because I had a bad cough, so hopefully I'll be feeling better soon. So you guys have a good Thanksgiving in Canada, and have a good day.